Ayushi. I'm currently doing PGDMM. This is my first year in SD College, and this is my first time putting up a stall at Open Bazaar. The experience has been great so far. I've made everything from scratch, everything's eggless. These are fudge brownies, banana bun cake, red velvet cheesecake cookies, classic chocolate chunk cookies, and double chocolate chunk cookies. And the experience has been great.
हेलो, सो माय नेम इज़ कृषिका और ये सब ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. इसमें कोई सल्फेट यूज नहीं हुआ है. ये बॉडी स्क्रब और फेस स्क्रब है और ये हमारी ग्रीन टी है जो अस्थमा, कोल्ड और बहुत सारी सीजनल एलर्जीज को प्रिवेंट करती है. ये पिगमेंटेशन, टैनिंग इन सबसे बहुत अच्छा रिलीफ देती है और रिमूव करती है इन सबको. स्पेशली ये सब चीज़ें ऑर्गेनिक है और खुद ही प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑफ इंडिया से हम चीज़ें मंगाते हैं. एंड आप इसको एक बार ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको विद इन 1 और 2 वीक्स में अच्छा रिजल्ट भी दिखेगा. एंड हमारा ये फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने स्टॉल लगाई है एसडी कॉलेज में. मैं इसी 3rd ईयर में हूँ इस कॉलेज में और मैं इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स कर रही हूँ बेसिकली. और आगे मेरा फोकस भी है कि मैं बिजनेस में जाऊँ और इट्स ऑल ऑर्गेनिक बिकॉज ऑर्गेनिक हैज़ अ फ्यूचर इन द अपकमिंग ईयर्स. सो दिस वाज ऑल. थैंक यू.
Riddhi from Fashion Designing Department of SD College, and we are displaying the items made by college students. These are paintings made by students. This is mandala art and embroidery. Here we have keychains, basket. These all are made by students. These are all embroidered and handmade. At back we have tote bags and all. These are all made by department students and guided by teachers.
Hi, my name is Kurshin. तो आज ओपन बाजार में मैंने अपना स्टॉल लगाया है and my bakery name is Albino Bakery. And so I'm just a 18 years old home baker. So मेरे को opportunity मिली and this is my first year in the college. तो मैंने यहाँ पर स्टॉल लगाया एंड मेरे को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली सब कुछ हमारा सोल्ड आउट हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. सिर्फ एक चीज़ें रह गई हैं एंड बाकी GGD SD कॉलेज ने मेरे को बहुत सारी सपोर्ट करी है एंड बहुत अच्छा क्राउड है जिन्होंने मेरी हेल्प करी है. एंड दिस इज़ माई पैशन, इसलिए मैंने ये सब कुछ करा है. तो मैंने पहले +2 के बाद एक डिग्री ली थी बेकरी में, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने सब कुछ अपना प्लान करा, बनाया एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को करके.
From SD College. The college gave me the opportunity to set up the stall. This is my hobby of making chocolates at home. I'm right now मेरा experience बहुत ही अच्छा जा रहा है कॉलेज के अंदर. गैदरिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है. So thank you.
Good morning. My name is Anmol Bhardwaj. I am currently pursuing my post-graduation from Punjab University and I am a passed out of the SD College. This is my startup and basically I do fabric painting. These are all the handmade products. These are the pencil pouches, tote bags. These are the handkerchiefs. These are bracelets, mini canvases and the designs for the upcoming Diwali. Basically मैंने ये 1 साल पहले शुरू किया था and previously the open bazaar was my first step to take up in the front of the people and this is my 4th time I'm setting up the stall and comparatively it is amazing. I have got a lot of experiences and अभी के लिए जिस मैं प्लेटफॉर्म पर हूँ a lot of people know me. Comparatively the previous year the open bazaar and today I am here that everybody knows me, the pellet girl, and I am very happy that college is giving me the opportunity for it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Yubika and I'm from PCA 2nd year. Today we have today we have put up our stall because the college have given us the opportunity to put up the stall. So we have put up the stall for movements, like we are selling earrings, hairpins, earrings and bracelets, hair bands and all. So the catering was very good and we loved it. Thank you.
हाय एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ नैनिका। हमने होममेड या फिर कह सकते हैं हैंडमेड दिवाली डेकोरेशन बनाई है एंड हम एसडी कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं एंड मैं एमएससी से हूँ। मेरे टीममेट्स भी एमएससी से हैं, एमएससी फिजिक्स। एंड हमारा मोटिव इसके पीछे था कि हम हर किसी के लाइफ में दिवाली के दिन हैप्पीनेस लाए एंड सब खुशियाँ से की चीज़ें खरीदें और खुशियाँ लेकर जाए। एंड हमारी जो सेल है आज के दिन अच्छी चल रही है, काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं, काफ़ी लोग खरीद रहे हैं। आई विश उनके घर में हैप्पीनेस जाए। हमारी चीज़ों के साथ साथ सब कुछ हैंडमेड है। May God bless them and bless us. So yes, thank you.
Hi, I'm Ashita from Crumble Shake. I study in SD College, BA first year. So right now I have these bakery products here. It's my own startup. I'm trying to build a business out of it. The experience over here is really good right now. The sales have been very good. It's my first time doing a stall here in GGSD College. It's good. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arundhati Jain and I am here with my Fine Arts Corner. These all paintings are handmade and these are of reasonable prices for college students. We have put our stall here for the first time. We saw the opportunity to put it here and showcase our talent.
Hello, my name is Arshpreet Kaur. I am from BA third year Psychology Honours and I am a student of GGTSD College. This is my startup Cakes and Us. Basically, it's all about dry cakes. मार्केट में हम dry cakes वगैरह खाते तो हैं, but एक पॉइंट के बाद उनकी क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज होना शुरू हो जाता है. So my startup is all about baking fresh, giving the best quality I can to the people. तो लास्ट ईयर मैंने ओपन बाजार में लगाया था स्टॉल, तो आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ स्केर्ड, तो मैंने थोड़ा कम रखा था अपना प्रोडक्ट, बट सेल्स वर लाइक ऑसम और 1.5 घंटे में माई स्टॉल वॉज द फर्स्ट वन टू सेल आउट एवरीथिंग. दिस टाइम आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, बट अभी तक विद गॉड्स ग्रेस अच्छा चल रहा है हमारा स्टॉल, अच्छी सेल्स हो रही है एंड पीछे से आज से वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग. सो थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस.
My name is Shruti and I am pursuing BCA from GDST College. My startup name is Outlet Buddy and आज हम आए SD College में अपना स्टॉल लेकर. हमारे पास काफ़ी टाइप्स के शेड्स हैं, कीचेन्स हैं. कीचेन्स में हमारे पास काफ़ी वेराइटीज़ है, ये डॉल कीचेन्स है और लिक्विड कीचेन्स है. प्लस वी डू हैव वॉचेस एंड कॉस्मेटिक मिरर्स ऑल्सो. हमें कॉलेज की तरफ से एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है अपना स्टॉल सेटअप करने के लिए एंड I'm utilizing it to my best. इधर का क्राउड भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, सेल्स भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. थैंक यू.
Hello, my name is Chahat Somra and I am from BCom 3rd Sem of this college. And her name is Chavi and she is also from BCom and हमने ये स्टॉल्स लगाए दिवाली डेकोरेशन के. हमारा बेसिक पर्पस था कि सभी बाहर का सामान तो लेते हैं, कि बेसिकली घर का जो होता है एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस आती है अगर हैंडमेड प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. सो हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइजेस हैं वो ₹10 से लेकर 180 तक जाते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, तो ये रीजनेबल भी होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल मूव ऑन टू दीज आर द कैंडल होल्डर्स जिसमें हम कैंडल रख सकते हैं और सारे ये बहुत सारे ये राउंड शेप में भी हैं, स्क्वायर में भी हैं एंड ऑल्सो दियाज दैट इज मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं एंड ये राजस्थान के स्पेशली हैंडमेड है जो हैंडीकैप ने बनाए हैं एंड गरिमा शी इज इन पार्टनरशिप विद अस एंड ये कोलकाता के फेमस हैं एंड असम से भी आए हैं. ये हैंड प्रॉपर एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड है एंड हैंडी क्राफ्ट है एंड ये हैंड बैग्स हैं, ये बाहर से हमने एम्ब्रॉयडरी करवाए हैं सारे एंड और ये स्पेशली जो कैंडल्स हैं ये पैक में भी है, लूज भी मिलते हैं काफ़ी, ये सारे रीजनेबल प्राइसेस पे हैं। सो यही हमारा है, हमारा बेसिकली पिछले साल भी हमने लगाया था और हमारा प्रॉफिट जो हुआ था इंटू 2x हुआ था। सो लाइक अगर 100 इन्वेस्ट करा तो इंटू 2 हमारा प्रॉफिट हुआ था। तो ऐसे ही वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि ऐसे आगे ग्रो हो। थैंक यू।
So my experience since the morning has been really good. I have had really good attraction at the jewelry thing, which I have also made myself, and a couple of canvases have gained good traction as well. Specifically those of TV series and movies, people do seem to like those. So I have had good traction with those.
Hello, I am Naman Khurana. I am the convener of IIC for this tenure, and this is my startup. From the name An Eternal Flame, we make handmade candles and on-order candles. We have a few samples here. This is a floating lotus and a floating rose, as well as we have these diya candles. So the purpose of our business is that to identify and solve the gap that is between the customizable candles and the market. So it was a great experience. All in all, I am also the organizer of this event, so the footfall was more than expected, and it has been a great event to be associated with the Open Bazaar for 2 years consecutively. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everybody. Myself Tarannum Behel and I'm in Masters Economics first year. I'm from SD College. Today I have set up my stall in Open Bazaar 3.0, and last time also I had my stall in Open Bazaar as well. From last time experience I had a good footfall as compared to the last time. I have handmade paintings and handmade clay material or gifting items. These paintings are mandala art, and you can find everything, every type of painting in my stall. Like eccentric means painting of every type. So we have mandalas, we have hand painted acrylic paints, and we have Lipan art and Madhubani arts and everything. And as we can see, I have these mirror that are handmade as for the gift purposes also, and for the home decor as well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Bhavya this side. So this is our stall in the Open Bazaar 3.0 Retro Candy Corner. So this is the second time that we have put our stall. The first time in a college we put it on Biorhythm, and we were amazed by the response. As the name suggests, Retro Candy Corner, it will take back to your childhood memories. It will bring back all the nostalgia that you had eating your favorite candies like Chand Sitare, Aam Papad, Aam Pachak, and chocolate coins, and every other thing that you had in your childhood. It will bring back the kid in you, and we just hope so by doing it through our stall. That is why we have made it so colorful, so that the child in you gets to just enlighten up your day. Yeah, that's it from me and my team. Thank you. Hi, my name is Rohi. This is my startup, The Frosted Tooth, and we provide freshly baked products. And I wanted to make a change because like normal bakeries do use eggs, but they say it's eggless. So I did wanted to make a change, and today's sale is like okay, so it's going well, and we'll be sold out soon. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Gun.
I'm Priyani. We both are from BBA first year.
So this is our stall, Crafted Connections. We have earrings, bracelets, pendants, scrunchies and home decor.
So mainly earrings, bracelets are handmade, and we have bought this pendants. Plus these things are also handmade. Beaded and the crafted ones. So yeah, so we got this idea mainly because of this Open Bazaar. It just inspired us to like create our own business.
And it was a really great experience setting up a stall here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So here I am Anshika from BCom third year of this college, GGDSG. I have also put the store previous year, and here I am back with the Open Bazaar 3.0. It's a very great experience. I gained a lot of profit and a lot of fame through this bazaar. I hope you also come there and look at our store.
Hello, we are from the brand Saffron Stone. So our brand basically sells beaded jewelry, pearl jewelry in
and all kind of minimal jewelry. We are running a small business, small startup from our homegrown brand, that is saffronstone.in on Instagram, and we have been doing it from past 3 months. But doing the store offline is actually a very great kind of experience, which helps us to develop the communication skills and helps us to develop business skills with the people and with the customers offline also. Also, it helps us to interact. So this college, the SD college, has given us a very good opportunity to me and my team. Our team consists of 3 people, that is Swati Sakshi from BA first year, and myself Ishita Jain from BA third year. And we are very grateful for this opportunity, and we look forward for more opportunities like this in the coming year and in my college only. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Namanpreet Kaur, and right now I'm studying BSc Biotechnology. I'm a first year student in GGDSD College. So I have my startup here, Frosted Love. Today I was displaying products like jar cakes, cake tin loaves, as well as cake pops. My best seller today was definitely Devil's Love. I started Frosted Love because I have been passionate for baking for so long. So last year I took a gap so that I can explore baking, and yeah, it's gonna be 1 year for Frosted Love, and this is my second stall here. I had a really great experience. People here were really fun. So yeah, everybody gave me some really nice compliments. So yeah, I'm happy.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi. I am from first year BSc Data Analytics. तो आज हमने जिसका स्टॉल लगाया है, this is our NGO, Bachpan Save the Innocence, which basically focuses on child sexual abuse prevention, and not just that, we also give therapy to adults who have been through this. तो आज हमारे पास there are number of variations in our stall. First are our diaries, जो कि 200 से 250 के बीच में है, एंड बहुत अलग वेरिएशन है. तो स्टार्ट एकदम 20 रुपये से होता है, ठीक है. तो ये जो 20 रुपये है, ये ऑनेस्टली किसी को भी इतना मैटर नहीं करता है. एक चिप्स का पैकेट खा लेता है इंसान, लेकिन ये एक 20 रुपये का पैकेट मैटर्स अ लॉट टू द चिल्ड्रन, जिनको हम वर्कशॉप्स देते हैं, जिनको हम सिखाते हैं ये सब चीज़ें सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ के बारे में. तो
कि हम एडल्ट्स को भी देते हैं वर्कशॉप्स, जो भी अब्यूज से सफ़र किया है जिन्होंने भी, उनको भी हम वर्कशॉप्स देते हैं. रीडिंग सर्कल्स होते हैं, एंड जो भी सर्वाइवर्स हैं उनको हम रिलीफ प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो या, और ये जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं फंड रेजिंग में यूज़ होते हैं.
और अभी तक की हमारी सेल्स काफ़ी अच्छी रही है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी बिन प्रॉफिटेबल. पहले के 1-2 घंटे में ही हमने बहुत प्रॉफिट कर लिया था, मेनली थ्रू आवर एक्टिविटी विच इज़ ब्रेडिंग, ठीक है. तो उससे हमारा ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट हो चुका है, और अब हमारा और भी मतलब आगे चल रहा है. तो बिजनेस इज गोइंग गुड, प्लस पीपल आर रियली पॉजिटिव है. तो वी आर रियली एंजॉइंग दिस इवेंट टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, I'm Yasha Meni from BCom Honors, 3rd year, and this is Rishabh, BA from 3rd year. We are selling our whey protein, which is a brand of
Prince Yarula. The founder is Prince Yarula, and the specialty about our product is like it is way more better than other products. यार और क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Shakers हैं, प्रोटीन है, and this protein and
T-shirts हैं.
shirts. और हमारा मेन मोटिव है कि हम अपने यूथ को बताएं कैसे मतलब अपनी बॉडी को करें, अपनी बॉडी को कैसे हम नेचुरल प्रोटीन है पूरा, इसमें कोई केमिकल्स नहीं है, इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है, पूरी नेचुरली बॉडी बनती है. और प्री वर्कआउट्स वगैरह, प्रोटीन्स है, क्रिएटिन है, जो आजकल की यूथ को बहुत पसंद है. मतलब यूथ ड्रिवन है ये पूरा ब्रांड. और आप देख भी सकते हो कितना मतलब जिमिंग लोग करते हैं, सबको प्रोटीन की जरूरत पड़ती है. और मेन मोटिव हमारा यही है कि अपनी यूथ को हम समझाएं. ये पूरी गैदरिंग बहुत अच्छी रही है हमारी आज. सेलिंग भी हमारी अच्छी खासी हुई है, और एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड ग्लैड टू बी हियर, एंड वी आर totally overwhelmed with our experience today.
Hi, good afternoon. Myself Shivangi Ritwan from BSc third year. I'm a member of IIC as well and Green Campus as well. Last year also मैंने stall लगाया था and it was same like Diwali decor. And इस साल मेरे को लगता है ज़्यादा gathering है as compared to last year और sales भी ज़्यादा है. And I wish कि सबके stalls अच्छे गए होंगे और बाकी items अच्छी हैं सबके stalls पे और काफ़ी अच्छे prices पे भी मिल रही हैं. So I suggest everyone to come and visit.
Hello everybody, myself Janvi.
Myself Ajasvi.
And we are here at the most exclusive event of SD College, that is Open Bazaar 3.0.
So we first of all we come to the stall and the stall is specially made up by the specially able students. Matlab they made their products and let's have a brief introduction about their products. Handing over to them.
Okay, so myself Kashishdeep Kaur, the Joint Secretary of SD Adarsh Foundation. So basically this exhibition is made by the Sorum kids who are specially abled, and in collaboration with Sorum School, SD Adarsh Foundation has taken this initiative to showcase their pieces and so that we can help them in their welfare. Now the products will be explained by the event management volunteer Alisha.
So hi everyone, we have a collection of candles here. We have floating candles for 120 rupees. We have chana laddus for 100 rupees, chai masala for 50 rupees. Then we have scrunchies and bracelets as well. And then we have jute bags for 150 rupees. Then we have candles, diyas for 100 rupees. This is the diya for 100 rupees, and then we have hanging nest for 250 rupees, and we have a collection of trays as well. So these are the trays, and the pair is for 250 rupees. And then here we have this flower stand. So this is for 350 rupees. Then we have some chocolates as well. So this pack is for 120 rupees. Yeah. So now handing over to the...
So basically the Sorum School kids make, the adult ones make these kind of showpieces, and the ones who are children, they study over there. So everything is done by the Sangeeta ma'am, the principal of Sorum School. Plus here we have some pictures because SD Adarsh Foundation visited Sorum School and there we helped them in making these products which are showcased over here. So here we can see that we are helping, our volunteers is helping them in making these products, and also that I believe that Sorum School is doing a great job because these kind of kids generally do not get as much appreciation. But when I visited Sorum School personally, it was great feeling because over there each and every child is taken with care and each and every child is handled with care. So I think that Sorum School is doing a great job, and it is a great opportunity for SD Adarsh Foundation to work with them, to have a collaboration with them. Thank you.
We are from Sanatan Dharm Technology Business Incubator. This business incubator has been established by the SD management to host the new and innovative ideas of the students. And we under this incubator, we provide seed fund, co-working space with computational support, industry connect, then mentorship. Then apart from that, we also provide the seed fund. So there is a very small process. The one who is interested for incubation, they have to apply through online. The link is there, and 3 to 4 documents are required to them. For example, their ID card is required in the PDF form. Their Aadhaar card is required in the PDF form. Their small one-page concept note of their idea is required in the print, and the whole application process will not take more than 5 to 7 minutes for its application. So as and when the application will received by the incubator team here, they will examine, they will read it, and in case there is any documentation left, it will be corresponded with the applicant, and in case all the formalities are completed, then a will be given for its evaluation. So a 3 to 4 member evaluation team will evaluate the idea, and if it is found good for incubation, then it will be hosted and an incubation ID will be generated and they will be given the spot in the incubator. So in case one or two ideas they are not seems to fit at the very first stage, so they will be advised to fine tune as per the recommendation of the evaluation committee, and every applicant will be given at minimum 3 chances to get their self incubated.
Alright, good afternoon everybody. My name is Pushpajit Kaur and I am Incubation Content Executive standing before you. Today at Open Bazaar we have launched our store to promote our incubation center and help all the startups to grow up. As you can see around yourself, there are so many startup opportunities and we are here to build them more. We help them to give them opportunity to grow more. We provide them with the financial needs, all the networking needs, legal needs and everything that they require. Also, we provide them with a co-working center for their business or their product idea. We are here to welcome you all and I hope that all of you can be part of us. Thank you.